So good morning, class. So how's everyone? Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, before we begin our class or our lesson, Vince, can you lead the prayer? Okay, thank you, Vince. So I would like everyone to open their camera. So first is I need to open you need to open your camera so that I could see you. Second is you show me your Arnis stick. Second is be aware of your surroundings and always wear PE uniform for our class and no horseplay. Okay. So, do you have any questions before we proceed? Ah, Julian, you have a question? Ah, the question of Julian is he has no Arnis as of the moment. Okay. You could use anything in your house like ruler. This is just for the meantime or just temporary, okay? If you have no ruler, you can have a cartolina, rolled cartolina. Or if you don't have any cartolina, you can use paper. Newspaper. You can roll the newspaper and put some scotch tape or tape. And if you don't have any of those, you can go to your kitchen and get a ladle or sandok or shanse for temporarily for this activity or for this class. Okay? Okay, very good. So for now, I'll be checking your attendance. And very good. Everyone is here. So who now wants to play a game? Okay. I think everyone wants to play a game. Okay. So I'll share scrambled letters and you will form a word or words out of it based on previous topics natin with Arnis. Okay. So I will group you into three groups, A, B, and C. Okay, so I'll be showing you now the letters and I'll give you around 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, the time starts now. Okay, very good. So time is up and everyone stop writing and you can show it in your screen later. Okay, so the answers for the the quiz or sorry the answers for the game is this one. So we have stances, forward stance, backward stance, formal stance, cat stance, Arnis, Pugay, and Anyo. So congrats to group B. Okay, thank you. So we will now recall the previous topic that we discussed. Okay, so the last topic is regarding six stances, Arnis stances. Okay, so there are six, and who could give two? Okay, Earl. Okay, very good. So Earl said that it's um, open leg stance and formal stance. Very good. And next two, who could give? Diane. Okay, Diane, that's correct. It's forward stance and backward stance. And the last two, let me see, Lani. Okay, very good. It's cat stance and straddle stance. So those are the six stances. Okay, formal stance, open leg stance, forward stance, backward stance, cat stance, and straddle stance. Okay? So next, alam naman natin paano humawak ng stick. Or nakakita naman tayo ng stick, di ba? Alam natin to stick. Pero alam ba natin parts ng Arnis stick? Okay, anyone? Marit. Okay, handle daw, paghawak. Tama. Yan yung parts isa sa mga part ng stick. Anyone? Okay, wala. Wala makasagot. Okay, that's okay. Because i-discuss naman natin to. So, kinuha ko lang yung sagot from kung sino man nakakaalam ng parts ng stick ng Arnis. Okay? So, parts of the stick of Arnis. We have the tip. Ito yung tip. Or punya. Okay? Next is the body of the stick. Ito yung from the tip hanggang dun sa kung nasaan yung kamay natin. Okay? Next is the handle. Ito yung sagot ni Marit kanina. Very good. And the butt or yung punyo. Ito yung nasa ilalim. O punyo or butt. Okay? So, ano yung purpose ng tip ng stick? Ginagamit to for sa thrusting, sa pagtusok or thrusting ng stick sa opponent natin. Okay? Next is body of the stick. Ito, yung mahabang part na to. So, it's used for striking, blocking, and locking techniques. Yon. So, napansin niyo palagi sa mga ibang mga makakapanood kayo ng ibang sa social media or sa YouTube, paano ginagamit yung pagsa-strike. Usually, ang tumatama dyan, itong body. Or nagbablock, or naglalak, ito yung ginagamit doon. Okay? So, we have the handle, kung saan natin hinahawakan yung stick. Okay, and when we have the punyo, o yung butt. So, ginagamit yung punyo sa mga short distance ng kalaban, pang striking, short distance striking, and other advanced techniques. Okay? Question. Walang question? Okay. Ngayon, tayo, or hindi tayo, ngayon, pakita natin sa screen yung Arnis natin. Okay? So ngayon, sasabihin ko sa inyo, sasabihin ko kung ano yung parts ng stick, tapos ituturo nyo kung ano yun. Okay? So, okay, ready? So, dapat naka-open yung camera, ha? Okay, ready? Okay. So, saan yung handle? Okay, very good. Next is tip ng stick. Saan yung tip? Okay, very good. Butt or yung punyo? Very good, class. And the last is saan yung body of the stick? Okay, very good. So, do you have any questions before we proceed? Eman? Okay. The question of Eman is, tama ba yung paghawak niya ng stick? My answer is yes. Sabi ni Eman, tama ba daw yung paghawak niya ng stick? Sabi ko, yes. But, kasi yun yung next topic natin. Para malaman natin yung ways to hawak or to handle yung stick. Yung paano paghawak ng stick natin. Okay? Okay. Sige. So, we have one. So, hand near the butt or punyo of the stick. So, nandito yung sa edge. Yan, nakikita natin yan, di ba? Bakit ganito yung hawak? Kasi mapapansin nyo sa mga sports competition ng Arnis, ganito sila maghawak ng stick. Bakit? Kasi mas mahaba yung body nila. So, mas mahaba yung reach nila para maabot yung opponent. Okay? Walang mali sa ganitong hawak. Okay? It's just a preference of the athlete or the arnisador or the one who is using the stick. Okay? Next is 1 finger distance from the bottom of the stick. Yan, 1 finger distance. Or sabi nila 1 inch distance. Saan ito ginagamit? Ginagamit to for thrusting sa kalaban, sa opponent natin. For short distance yung distance yung kalaban natin, malapit lang. Kasi mahirap kang pumalo pag malapit yung kalaban natin kasi mahaba yung body. Ito yung ginagamit nila pang batting. Okay? Next, one hand distance. Yung one hand distance, lagyan niyo yung kamay niyo sa ilalim, dito, lagyan niyo isa niyo pang kamay. So, yun yung one hand distance natin. Okay, tanong nila, ba't may ganyan? Ginagamit to for advanced techniques. Similar dun sa 1 inch or yung 1 finger for batting to, di ba? Next, ito naman, ginagamit to for blocking or disarming the opponent. So, more on mga advanced learning na yun ng Arnis. Okay? Okay, next. Middle hold sa gitna. Sabi niyo parang ang weird, di ba, sa gitna? Kasi mukha kang margarette. Nagma-margarette ka. So, pinapaikot mo yung stick. Not necessarily, di ba? Ginagamit natin itong half for blocking. Pwedeng pang blocking yan. And the other half, pwedeng pang strike. Di ba? Or same thing has pang thrusting. So, may purpose naman din siya. Hindi nyo naman makikita to mostly sa mga techniques sa mga social media or sa YouTube. Pero, some arnisador use this for their techniques. Okay? Reverse hold. Dito naman sa taas. Ginagamit nila for mga reverse striking or blocking. Bihira nyo rin ito makikita kasi usually makita nyo sa mga movies pag nakakapanood kayo ng mga palabas that they're using weapons, no? Pero rarely ginagamit to. Pero ginagamit siya for other techniques. Okay? But for our topic, hindi natin siya gagamitin itong reverse. Okay? Okay. So, do you have any questions? Ako may question. Sa first three na pinakita ko kanina, yung nandito yung kamay natin, yung may 1 inch, and yung one hand. Alin dyan ang mas komportable sa inyo? Hawakan yung stick. Okay? So, hawakan natin yung stick natin, then hawakan natin dito. Then, i-wiggle natin yung stick from right to left. Anong napapansin natin? Anong nararamdaman natin? Okay? Next, yung 1 inch. Ganun din natin. Komportable ba? May mas mabigat ba na part habang nag-aabaniko tayo o yung niwiwiggle natin yung stick from left to right or right to left? And one hand. And, okay? So, alin dito yung mas komportable sa inyo? Mahawakan. Let's see. Okay. Jenjen. Ang sabi ni Jenjen, mas gusto niya yung one hand. Okay. Bakit naman, Jen, yun yung gusto mong one hand? Very good. Kasi daw, sabi niya, mas magaan yung paghawak ng stick. Mas balanse. Mas hindi mabigat yung body. Habang tinitilt natin yung wrist natin from left to right or ginagawa natin yung abaniko. Okay. Next, sino may question? Okay, si Abisha. Ang sabi ni Abisha, gusto niya dito. Kasi daw, mas mahaba yung reach niya doon sa kalaban. Which is, yes, oo. Pero I will tell you, mas mabigat yung body pag niwiggle mo ganito. Di ba tama? Yes, tama. Okay, very good. Okay. Yung isa naman, yung 1 inch, same lang din to. Almost sa gitna ng medyo magaan sa mabagal. Okay. Pero, I will tell you this, ang paghawak ng stick ay nasa preference ng arnisador or ng student or ng teacher or sa mga games. Depende kung saan nyo to gagamitin. Okay? Kasi, makikita nyo sa mga papanoorin yung mga videos, merong 1 inch, may one hand, iba dito. Hanggang sa bat. Walang mali dyan. It's just preference nila to at paano nila gagamitin yung technique. Because there are techniques that use yung 1 hand. Kasi, makakapag-locking sila, makakapag-disarm sila, at makakapag-striking sila. So, it depends on what techniques are you using. Okay? Okay. So, do you have any questions? Okay, so there are no more questions. Ngayon, hawakan natin yung stick natin. Para lang maalala natin, hawakan natin. Ganito muna. So, sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong hawak, then gagawin natin. Okay? Okay, very good. So, ngayon, gagawin natin is reverse hold. Okay, reverse hold. Very good. 1 inch from the stick or 1 finger. Okay, very good. 1 hand. Okay, very good. Middle hold. Okay. So, ngayon, naintindihan na natin paano hinahawakan yung stick. And walang mali dun sa paghawak ng stick natin. It depends upon your preference. Okay? Paano siya gagamitin or anong technique yung gagamitin natin. Okay. So, do you have any more questions? Okay, no more questions. So now we will proceed to quiz. So I'll send the link dun sa chatroom natin and it will just take you, I think, mga 1 minute or 2 minutes to finish it. Okay? Okay, let's start. You start pala. Ready? Go. Okay, very good. So everyone got a perfect score. So that means you understand the topic that we have discussed. Diba? Ang topic natin is part of the stick or Arnis stick and ways to hold the stick. Okay. So it's almost time. I'll send the assignments in your LMS and I'll expect it to be submitted tomorrow afternoon. Okay, thank you class and have a nice day.